Material engineering is an interdisciplinary field involving the properties of matter and its applications to various fields of science and engineering. The science investigates the relationship between structure of materials and their properties. It also includes elements of applied physics and chemistry as well as chemical, mechanical, civil and electrical engineering.
Means here we are free. You can use your chemistry, you can use your physics. Even the biology students are here. Mechanical, it means everybody can come and show the talent in the same place. So we are not bound to do physics, the hardcore physics. We are not bound to do the chemistry, the hardcore chemistry. So when merging of things are here, then merging of things, whenever the diversity is here, you get something awesome.
New developments such as nanoscience and nanotechnology continue to propel material science and engineering to the forefront of the studies in many universities around the world. At present in India, the School of Material Science and Technology, IIT BHU, is curating the highest level of study and research in the field of nanostructures, nanomaterials, and even smart materials.
If you talk for any product or any area, let's take example of mobile phone. 10 years back, what was the size of mobile phone and what was the limitation of mobile phones? Now, if you see today, after 10 years, what is the size of mobile phone and what the mobile phone can do? So, how we reached from that mobile phone to this mobile phone?
Since the beginning, the school has been offering a 2-year MTech degree program for the students and later on initiated a 5-year dual degree MTech program. The school runs a very successful PhD degree program as well.
So in the first level, actually I am working on metal oxide nanoparticles. Actually what we are doing, we are incorporating rare earth elements like dysprosium or the trivalent ions. So the main purpose of doing this is for at this time to employ it in the fingerprint recognition agents, which is currently I am doing.
The core area of research here ranges from biodegradable polymers, magnetic semiconductors, biomaterials and implants to self-assembled structures and nanomagnetic materials. The faculty members are continuously working with the young researchers to solve every upcoming challenge of the 21st century.
So they are working in the high-end area of materials and publishes a couple of good papers in top international journals.
In order to break through every upcoming challenge, the laboratories of the school have been furnished with the most recent equipments like the chemical vapor deposition setup, centrifuge and spin coater, fluorescent spectrophotometer, and plasma surface technology. Few of the major facilities provided by the department are XRD, that is X-ray diffractometer, scanning electron microscope, that is SEM, physical property measurement system PPMS, and cryogen-free magnet system, that is CFMS.
देखिए डिपार्टमेंट जो है ये बेसिकली मैं कहूँगा अगर आप इसमें रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड आपका फोकस है तो आप इसमें परस्यू कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर फैसिलिटीज़ उस हिसाब से प्रोवाइड की गई हैं कि आपको एक अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट मिले रिसर्च करने के लिए। अगर आप इच्छुक हैं कि आगे आप पीएचडी करें या एमटेक में अच्छा काम करें तो आप यहाँ ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं।
Though the quality of life primarily depends on our inner wealth, the materialistic wealth is what gives us sustainability. As the famous scientist and Nobel Prize winner Renato Dell'Becco said, historically, science and society have gone separate ways. Although society has provided the funds for science to grow, and in return, science has given society all the material things it enjoys.